Good morning, first grade. I hope everyone is doing really well today and that you had a nice weekend and were able to enjoy the nice weather a little bit. Today is Monday, November 9th, 2020, and it is the 48th day of school. I can't believe it, almost to 50. And your special today is library. And the riddle, while I'm on a roll here, the riddle is I'm taller when I'm young and shorter when I'm old. What am I? All right, before we go through the schedule, if you would like to join me for the Pledge of Allegiance, you can do that. And thank you. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Okay. All right, so three really quick announcements before we get into the schedule. Just a reminder to grown-ups that a link to sign up for our virtual parent-teacher conferences was sent on Friday in our newsletter and in the newsletter email. The link was actually in both places. But if you have any questions or need anything on that, just let me know. Conferences will be held on December 1st and 2nd, so you can sign up for a time. Let me know if there aren't any that work for you. The other two things are this Friday coming up again, the 13th. We have two things going on that day. One is the next supply box pickup day. So we'll have the third box of supplies and you can come anytime between 12 and 5, just like last time. And if you could please return the Wit and Wisdom reading books, the That Book Woman, Green Eggs and Ham, and Waiting for the Biblio Burrow. If you still had the copy of Tomas and the Library Lady, if you could please return those as well, that would be really, really great. And I'll have a new stack for you for Module 2 in Wit and Wisdom in the supply box. And then the other thing going on Friday the 13th is our one-on-one end of the trimester assessment day, where you will get an email today. The grown-ups will get an email today with a time and a Google Meet link for your first grader to join at that time on Friday for a one-on-one end of the trimester assessment. It will just take about 10 minutes, and I'll also send the time and the link through Seesaw the morning of the 13th. So because we will be doing those one-on-one assessments that day, there will not be the normal live class meetings, but we will send all of the normal assignments and same subjects and everything asynchronously that same morning on the 13th. Okay, and of course, we'll be I'll be available by phone, email if you have any questions, or Seesaw. So those are just the two big things coming up on the 13th. So please let me know if you have any questions about any of that. And for today, coming out first thing this morning will be a new fluency passage. This is the one where actually Miss Taylor read this one, but you can just listen and follow along with Miss Taylor reading. You don't have to record yourself today. This is a new one, and you'll just start your normal routine of trying to practice at least every day, and then I'll let you know and I'll send you a second activity with this passage when it's time to record. So really you're just going to listen to the new passage. It will be in your workbook, and then you can send that activity back just blank to let me know that you've listened to it and you got it. Okay, then the other thing will be a Wit and Wisdom reading learning video with activity on Padlet, introducing our new text, which is Green Eggs and Ham. So I hope you enjoy that. And then there will also be a separate deep dive lesson and activity, the deep dive coming out. So you'll see three things in your light bulb activities this morning. Then we'll meet at 10 for word building. So if you could please come with these letters, A, B, D, E, L, N, S, and a blank dictation paper. And then we will meet again at 1 for math, and we will actually take our end of module 1 assessment. And I had mentioned on Friday that the paper copy of the assessment should be in your red folder from the very first supply box that you picked up. If you left everything where it was, it would be in the first one. And I believe I had put it on this side to keep it separate from all the copies of the dictation. So it is just a single front and back copy, and it would say end of module task 1-1 in the top corner. So if you could please just bring this to the afternoon class, that would be great. Let me know if you can't find it, or you're not sure where it is. We can try to figure something out or just use another paper, but that's what we'll do during math today. So if you have any questions or need anything, please let me know. But I look forward to seeing everybody soon, and I hope we have a great day. And thanks so much. Any questions, just reach out.